Hello, everybody. I welcome all of you on this online platform of Sri Harini IAS Academy, Narsarao Pet. Myself, Praveen Singh, a faculty of History, Art and Culture. I have been guiding, mentoring, motivating to those students who are preparing for the civil services exam conducted by the Union Public Service Commission UPSC and the various state public service commission like the Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Sri Harini IAS Academy has a very good infrastructure. Here you have a quality classroom, quality teachers. All the teachers are coming from the Delhi's best reputed coaching institutes. The director of Sri Harini IAS Academy is making every possible effort to bring the best faculties of Delhi. So, those students who have taken the decision that I am going to prepare this exam, or who are thinking that I should prepare this exam, I am requesting to those they need not to go Delhi. Delhi has its own problem, and the problem is what? Pollution. Cost of living is very high. Costly fees in the various coaching institutes. Delhi has its own benefit. That benefits are good coaching institute. So the same benefit you are going to get where, or you are getting where? At this Sri Harini IAS Academy. Good coaching institute means what? A good IAS coaching institute means what? Means good faculties, good printed material, class notes, class test series, special session on answer writing. These are the few parameters. On the basis of these parameters, you can judge that this coaching is good or not. Let me assure you that at Sri Harini IAS Academy, you will get what? Each and everything what I have said. Here you have a very good classroom, quality teachers coming from the Delhi's best coaching institutes. They are delivering their lectures. They are giving the class notes, printing materials, and you have the regular test as well. And apart from that, the teachers are focusing on how to write a very good answer, a quality answer. You might be aware that answer writing is the key to success for this particular exam. So our faculties are focusing on the answer writing. They are also focusing on what? How to write a very good essay. Essay is very, very important. The director of Sri Harini IAS Academy, respected Narendra sir, is doing a great job. Why I am saying he is doing a great job in a small city like Narsarao Pet? Because here students along with their parents are not aware about this particular exam. Narendra sir is awareing through various seminars. He is motivating, he is guiding to the young energy of these states to start preparation of this particular exam and crack the India's most prestigious exam. Narendra sir had a dream that this town within next 1 or 2 years is going to produce what, an IAS through this coaching institute. And I salute to his vision. And I think that we should salute all toward to his vision. That here a very low, oh, you can say the no awareness. So he is what, awareing the students, their parents. So here I am requesting to those students and even their parents who are thinking that their children is going to prepare this exam to have a visit in this academy, and you will feel the difference on any parameters. This coaching institute is equivalent to what, to the various coaching institutes of the Delhi. So here I am ending this video, first of all by congratulating the Narendra sir for his great effort, for his great job, and a very very best wishes for him and for his academy. Thank you.